Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love storage bins, but I also think storage bins should look good. So that's why I really like these EZOWare collapsible storage bins. Now, as you can see, this is not your typical cube storage bin. This is a rectangle shape, and I love it because I got a vanity station, which I foolishly thought were cube-sized cubicles, but they were not. They had a small opening but went deep in, so I needed something that had a small face but a long body. Now, because it's my vanity station, it's one of the first things you see when you walk into our bedroom. I really wanted them to look nice, and I already had collapsible cubes that had the off-white sturdy material with a rope handle. So I was so excited to find something that not only fit the dimensions perfectly, but also looked the same as what I already had. These work so well. I can fit so much in it. I use it to store my hair stuff, my makeup, my nail polish, my face care products, everything, so that I can do anything I need at my vanity station. It has been so helpful to me. I absolutely love these. They are so well made. I love the rope look, like I said, but the material is very durable, very sturdy. I think if you're someone who has storage needs, but has specific dimension storage needs, not a typical cube, I think this is an absolute great option. I think they look good and are so useful. And that's my point of view.